Who is the all-time leading run scorer in Test cricket for Australia? Which Australian bowler has taken the most Test wickets? In what year did Australia win its first ICC Cricket World Cup? Who was the captain of Australia during the 1999 World Cup win? How many ICC Cricket World Cups has Australia won as of 2024? Who was the first Australian to score a triple century in Test cricket? What is the name of the domestic T20 league in Australia? Who was the Australian captain during the infamous Sandpaper Gate scandal in 2018? Who is the fastest Australian to reach 100 ODI wickets? Which Australian cricketer is known as Mr. Cricket?